Hello everyone, this is your science teacher Akansha Badola, and today we are going to discuss the keywords of chapter number 13, as we already finished chapter number 13, Fun with Magnets, and today we will be discussing the keywords here. So what is a compass? This is a small glass case containing a magnetized needle. The needle can rotate freely and always rest in the north and south direction. As I already told you that a magnetic compass is a device in which we have a needle which always points towards north and south direction and help us to find the north and south direction. By knowing north and south direction, we can easily find the east and west direction also. So magnetic compass helps us to find the direction. Now the next keyword is magnet. So magnet are the material which attracts iron and other magnetic objects. For example, like the objects of nickel, cobalt, as I have told you previously, that magnet attracts the materials which are made up of iron. Okay, so the next is magnetite. Magnetite is a ore of iron which has magnetic properties. So magnetite is we can also say it is a ore of iron. And what is ore? Ores are naturally occurring big rocks and magnetite is the ore of iron. इसको हम iron की ore भी कहते हैं, from where we can extract the mineral called iron, जहाँ से कि हम iron को निकाल सकते हैं. Okay, so the next keyword is North Pole. So what is North Pole? When suspended freely, one pole of a magnet always points towards north. It is known as North Pole. As you all know that every magnet has two poles, North and South Pole. And when we suspend a magnet freely, the pole which rest towards the north direction of the earth, जो अर्थ की north direction की तरफ आता है, उसे हम North Pole कहते हैं magnet का. Similarly, the definition of South Pole is here that when suspended freely, the end of the magnet point towards the south. जब हम magnet को freely suspend करते हैं तो जो end south direction की तरफ rest करता है, we call it South Pole of the magnet. So I hope all the keywords are here clear to you. Now we will move forward and we will see some of the exercise question, and today we will be discussing only the fill-ups and question number 2, which is true false. So the fill-ups are here. Artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as dash, dash and dash. So what is the answer for that? That artificial magnet, we can make different shapes which are called artificial magnet. अलग अलग तरह के हम शेप में आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट्स को बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि वी हैव बार मैग्नेट्स, हॉर्सशू मैग्नेट, सिलेंड्रिकल मैग्नेट. एज यू हैव सीन, दिस इज horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, different shapes are there. Okay, next keyword, next is the material which are attracted towards a magnet. वो material जो कि magnet की तरफ attract होते हैं, these are called magnetic material. We call them magnetic material. Number 3, paper is a dash material. Now tell me what kind of material paper is. What kind of material paper is? Paper is a non-magnetic material and it do not get attracted by the magnet. So paper is a non-magnetic material. Next, in olden days, sailors used to find direction by suspending a piece of dash. In olden days, what do the people use to find out the direction? They use magnet. So the answer for 4th is magnet. As you can see here, the answer for the 4th fill-up is magnet. Now, next question. What is the next fill-up? A magnet has always dash poles. How many poles does a magnet have? It has always 2 poles. Okay, so the answer for that is, as it is also written here, 2 poles. Every magnet, no matter what kind of magnet it is, it always has 2 poles. One pole is North Pole and the other pole is South Pole. So I hope this is clear. Now we will move forward to the true false. So the first here is, a cylindrical magnet has only 1 pole. So as I have just told you, cylindrical magnet is also a magnet, so it must have 2 poles. So the answer for first is false. Now the next question is, artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. Artificial magnets. So no, the answer for that is false. Okay, as it is also written false here. Now number 3. Similar poles of magnet repel each other. Yes, it is true. Similar poles means like pole of a magnet repel each other. Like north will repel, south will repel each other. Next, maximum iron fillings stick in the middle of a bar magnet when it is brought near them. So is it true or false? So we will see here that the fourth one is false. Why? Because most of the iron fillings will get attracted not at the middle but at the corners of the magnet. So it is false. Now the fifth one. Bar magnet always points toward north and south direction. So yes, it is also true that a magnet will always point towards north and south direction. Sixth, a compass can be used to find east and west direction at any place. Yes, it is also true. The compass is used to find out the direction, and the needle always points towards north and south direction, and by finding the north and south direction we can also get to know about the east and west direction. Next, rubber is a magnetic material. Is it true or false? So it is definitely false. Rubber is a non-magnetic material. As you can see here, it is false that rubber is a non-magnetic material. As it is written here, it is magnetic, but we know that rubber is not magnetic. It is non-magnetic. Rubber is non-magnetic. So here it is written magnetic. That is why it is false. Okay, so students, we have discussed the fill-ups and true false, and we will be discussing the other question of this chapter in our next class. Till then, stay home and stay safe.